Would you like your products for free? Here's how Zinzino For Free works. When qualifying for our Zinzino For Free program, you get your products for free and only pay for shipping the following month after completing these simple steps. Step 1. You need to subscribe and pay for at least one Premier kit. Go to Zinzino.com and select one of our Premier kits to become a Premier customer. Each kit and product has a credit value, which you find in the product description. In this example, the kit has a credit value of 14 credits, and the monthly subscription gives 4 credits per month. Step 2. Use the selected product. Feel the difference and share the product experience with your friends. Step 3. Share your personal referral link to 4 friends or people you think can benefit from our products. Log into your account to find your referral link in the left side menu. Make sure your 4 friends become subscribing customers through your personal referral and pay for their monthly subscription. For example, if your subscription is worth 4 customer credits, you need 16 total credits from your 4 subscribing friends. Congrats! You've qualified for Zinzino For Free. Now all you pay is shipping and you start collecting Zino Cash to get other products for free. Step 4. To stay qualified for Zinzino For Free each month, your 4 subscribing friends must keep their monthly subscription active and paid for. Together, their total subscription credits value must be at least 4 times the credits value of your own Premier subscription. Go to Zinzino.com and sign into your account. In My Account, you can easily track your Zinzino For Free progress, including your subscribing friends, which are presented as your personal customers, your credits, and your Zino Cash balance, and watch your rewards grow.